The first thing we're going to do is enable smart notifications on our managed site. Go ahead and edit or add a new managed site. Go through the wizard, and on the third step, you'll be able to change the slider to on for smart notifications. Smart notifications are on by default in newer versions, but need to be turned on for older versions of Boring Toolbox. Okay, now that we have smart notifications enabled, we'll go ahead and create an event where we have several cameras not providing video by changing their password to a wrong password in Milestone only, which will then trigger the live monitoring service to pick up those events. And we'll see that here in the system overview. There you go, we got those 6 cameras down. And now we'll go over to our email and check out the notification. So here's our smart notification. And again, the goal of this notification is to provide you as much information as we can in a single email without having you do a lot of extra work or detective work to figure out what is actually happening and what is the health status of your Milestone VMS. So here you'll see that this is a camera alert, but if it was a recording server alert, this name would change. And then we give you some site and notification information. On the right-hand side, we show you a snapshot of the health of your cameras on your entire Milestone VMS. So the yellow box shows you in total how many cameras are not providing video, both new and existing cameras, which have not been providing video potentially for quite some time. The red box and the green box will show you changes in the system. So red is bad, green is good. So red telling you that 6 new cameras have stopped providing video, and that is the genesis of this particular email. As we scroll down, we can see additional details about those 6 cameras, which have just stopped providing video. We get their name, their IP address, and importantly, what time they went offline. Finally, we can continue down again, and we can get into the yellow section. The yellow section, again, outlines all those cameras, either new or existing, which are not providing video. The new cameras will be highlighted in red, and if you did have any existing cameras, they would be highlighted in black. So now we'll go back to our Boring Toolbox and initiate an event to restore the video back, and then we'll see the notification for that. All right, so we're back in the Boring Toolbox, and you can still see that we have our 6 cameras not providing video. So let's go back and change the passwords on 2 of these cameras so that their video is restored back in Milestone, and we can see how that will react in terms of the smart notifications that we will receive. So if we go back to our system overview, we should see this drop down to 4. Perfect. Now let's go over back to our email and see what that notification looks like. All right, so back to our notification, we now see another snapshot of what's happening on our system. We still have 4 remaining down because, as you remember, we only restored 2 of the camera passwords. So you see the entire picture of your VMS here without having to look any further. But if you would like some additional detail, again, you can scroll down. And here we do see the details of those 2 cameras which were restored. And you'll also notice that we added now an offline duration. As you keep scrolling down, that's when you'll see the additional cameras that are remaining down that we did not restore the passwords for, and those are in black, as we previously mentioned. So that is our smart notification functionality. Again, our goal is to bring value for every notification. I hope you found that helpful, and we'll see you at theboringlab.com.